Ever wondered how vital your kidneys are to your overall health? These powerhouses tirelessly filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, playing a pivotal role in your body's well-being. Keeping these crucial organs healthy should be a priority, and here's how you can do it. First, aim to maintain a balanced diet. It's crucial to prioritize a diet low in sodium and processed meats to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Consuming less of these can help reduce the risk of kidney diseases. Instead, fill your plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods not only provide essential nutrients but also support kidney health. They can aid in maintaining a healthy weight and blood pressure, further promoting kidney wellness. Remember, what you eat has a significant impact on your kidney health. Second, keeping active is a big part of the equation. Regular exercise is like a secret weapon against kidney disease. How, you ask? Well, it helps control high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of chronic kidney disease. The beauty of exercise is its versatility. Whether it's a brisk walk, a vigorous run, or a calming yoga session, all are beneficial. By taking care of your body, you're also taking care of your kidneys. Remember, exercise doesn't just keep you fit, it keeps your kidneys fit too. Finally, limit your alcohol intake and quit smoking. Both these habits can wreak havoc on your kidneys and other organs. Alcohol can overwork your kidneys, leading to damage over time, while smoking may reduce blood flow to these crucial organs, amplifying the risk of kidney disease. If you find yourself struggling to break free from these habits, remember, it's okay to seek help. Reach out to professionals who can provide guidance and support. Your kidneys will thank you for making these lifestyle changes. In summary, taking care of your kidneys is simpler than you think. It's all about balance, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and moderation in alcohol and smoking. Take these steps today, and your kidneys will serve you well for years to come.